In this tutorial we are going to learn about C++ classes and objects. Let's first talk about classes. Classes are the building block of object-oriented programming language. Classes are the blueprint of the object. Let's take an example. Let's say we have a car. Car is a common name where Maruti is a proper name. Therefore, car is a class and Maruti is a object of that class. We can define a class by following method. First, write the keyword class, then class name, let's say take it as demo, then parenthesis, and then semicolon. In class we have mainly three access specifier which tells us how can we access the data members and the functions of the class. Mainly we have three access modifiers. First one is public, the second one is protected, and the third one is private. Let's first talk about public. Public are the access modifier by which we can access all data members and the data function within the programs. Let's talk about private. Private is the access modifier by which we can access only data members and data function within the class. And protected is a little bit advanced topic we will talk about in next coming lectures. Let's give our access modifier public by which so that we can access it from within the program. First, let's declare a function which will take input from the user. Let's say void input string str1 and input number. Assign this value to our class variables. A string str assigned with string 1 and number is assigned with number. Now let's define our other function which will do the output. Let's see out str string, then new line, and then number. Now let's define an object. First declare a main method in which we are declaring an object of demo class. So for that we need to declare a class name, then object name, let's say d1. Now we declare two variables, string str1 and number. Now let's take input from user str1 and number and pass it to the object function to the of demo class, string str1 and number. Now display it on the output screen with the help of output function. We need to include header file called iostream in which we have definition of cin and cout object. Now let's try to execute this program. Let's give the input as first line as code for fun and then take it as 100. So code for fun and 100 is printed on the screen.